Hello everyone and welcome to the first ever edition of Smoking with Coach. And today we're doing baby back ribs. To get started, you're going to need a smoker, and I love my Oklahoma Joe's because of how well it holds heat, and I know it's going to last me a long time. As for charcoals, I say Kingsford. You don't have to get too fancy here. Today's meat is baby back ribs, and you can never go wrong with Kinder's seasoning. Those are my recommendations for the necessities, and as for everything else, it's optional but recommended, like a meat thermometer, chimney starter, smoking glove, and wood chips. The recipe I used came straight from howtobarbecueright.com, so huge shout out to them, and I'll link that in the description below. But now it's time to get things heated up. And we're hot. We got our briquettes rolling in our chimney starter here. The briquettes we're using today are Kingsford Savory and Smoky Wood flavor. I can already smell that hickory wood flavor coming off the grill and coming off of this smoke. We're going to give it about 5 more minutes and we'll dump it, spread these coals out, and we have our smoker choked down here, so when we drop these coals in, hopefully that grill don't get too hot, so we can take these ribs here that I prepared low and slow. Look at these beautiful baby back ribs. We got a full slab of them. We trimmed them, seasoned them, pulled that membrane off, and today we used that Kinder's buttery steakhouse seasoning. It's gonna be a good smoke. It'll probably be about 5-6 hours, but yeah, here's what we got going on. We're waiting for the fire to get started, and I'm ready to roll, baby. Let's go. Now it's time to put our meat on the grill.
What did he say?
We're sitting at about 250, 265 right now. We're gonna go ahead, take our rack of ribs and put it in directly off the heat. I like to take it and tuck it in the corner there so it's off the coals, and watch, as soon as I close this lid, it'll start climbing back up slowly. We still have it choked over here on the side so it doesn't get too warm, but man, the ribs are down. See you guys in about an hour. All right, we've made it to the 1 hour point. The smoker's holding steady, just under 300. So we went ahead and dropped some more coals on. Those are gonna start to gray real soon. Here's what our meat's looking like. We just spun it to get that other side nice and even. And now it's time to hit it with a little mister filled with apple juice. We're just gonna cover it as nicely and evenly as we can. I kind of go crazy with it. I mean, why not? The more the merrier. And now we're gonna close this real quick. You see our temperature dropped just a hair, but that's okay. We open back up this vent to let some more air in, and now it should start to stabilize. And yeah, hour number 2, here we go. Well, we have officially hit the 2 hour point, and as you can see, we're sitting here just right above 275 with our meat offset. So we're looking real nice temperature wise, but it's time to throw some more briquettes on the smoker. We're gonna spritz our meat again, add a little bit more seasoning, and now since we're at the halfway point, we got this aluminum pan here filled with butter, and then we're gonna take these nice looking ribs right here, slap them meat side down onto this butter, cover them in aluminum foil, throw them back in the smoker for about another 2.5 hours, and boys, it's go time. We're at about 3.5 hours and we're still holding strong, just above 250, and now it's all about maintaining the temperature of this grill. And to do it, we had to go to Ace Hardware and pick up some more charcoals. Again, shout out Kingsford. And look who's out here. Charlie, come over here. Come here. Buddy, I hope you're hungry. Dad's gonna get you some ribs ready. All right, guys, we're sitting here at the 5 hour mark. It's time to put more coals on the grill. And look who's here. It's the good old wifey. And the dog's still out here as well, ready for some ribs to go down. So while I put more coals on, Sierra's gonna sit here and probe these ribs. And she's gonna probe those ribs in the thick part of the meat and push it in nice and all the way through to get an accurate reading as I throw more coals on the grill. And watch these puppies flame up as I put them on there. Now what's that temperature reading? 163. We're looking for 210. You can go ahead and pull it out. So we're gonna cover the ribs back up. Go ahead and throw them back off the heat. The coals are rolling now. So we're gonna choke the grill on the side. Watch that come up ever so slightly. And yeah, hour 5 in, 1 more hour to go. Here we are. As you can see, we have the coals slowly burning on the inside, right at 250. So we have our rack of ribs slid directly over top of these coals. We took that aluminum foil off. We're going to hit it with a little bit more apple juice. And guys, until this thing's done, this is how it's going to sit. We're just going to keep on adding coals as we go, but we're almost there. Probably 5.5 hours in and we're looking just fine.
Damn!
Unfortunately, the ribs took a little longer to come up to temperature than planned, so we lost lighting outside. However, I got a picture of the end result. When the ribs got to about 205 degrees, I slapped on some Sweet Baby Ray's and pulled them off the smoker about 5-10 minutes after that. And that's it. I hope you all enjoy the new content and let me know in the comments what meat I should do next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.